Hey guys, what's going on? Today is January 21st, 2021. I just really wanted to record this quick video for you because when the market does something insanely stupid, you should take advantage of it as a short seller. So for those of you who've been following our channel, 13 Market Moves, you know primarily we focus on great short opportunities that produce substantial returns with weekly options. So the reason why we're looking at TLRY 2018 chart, because it's a great representation of what is actually about to happen to the stock of GME. Now, you probably watched Jason's video, how he nailed a couple of awesome entries and exits, as well as a bunch of our students. But I don't want everyone to miss out an insane trading opportunity on GME today. So what I want you to pay close attention to right here, guys, is a lot of these high flyers and the chart of Bitcoin and the chart of other stuff in many instances throughout the history would resemble this type of pattern where pretty much stuff goes parabolic. Now, once you get certain pattern developing on the candles, okay, it's pretty easy to nail the next move. And so we're expecting a huge move to formation in the shares of GME. It's going to be a climax point in the stock, and if you nail your entry at some point throughout the day, it could pay you and make you a ton of money. So what I want you to focus is once TLRY, this particular case, by the way, we do have a video trading TLRY in 2018, nailing that top. I mean, I remember sending the alerts in our group at 299. We're short in TLRY. Look what happens next. It crashes within minutes, right? So GME, if you study the chart over the last few days, I mean, yesterday it had two really outsized moves to the downside, and the same characteristic of each move was it happened at the speed of light. I mean, when it started to drop, it was dropping like a rock. And so that's exactly what we had in TLRY. Now notice what happens the next day. The next day, the stock still bounces. And this is exactly what's happening with GME today pre-market. And so watch what happens next, though. Over the course of the next 48 hours to 72 hours, the stock basically visits a level from where it broke out of. So consider that level in GME from 61 to 81 levels. So GME can actually literally drop to 61 to 81 bucks within the next 72 hours. And majority of that move can come today. So focus again on the pattern here. Now, Charts Diversus course, we identified this type of pattern as a loss of momentum, where a stock gains a tremendous amount of momentum. Typically, it is associated with like a short squeeze and, stuff like that. So all characteristics are here with GME. But now we're going into this bearish sequence, right? We're switching from a sequence of highly bullish move into a bearish move, which is a trend reversal opportunity. And these are the type of trades, guys, that make you a killing. So again, focus on this, right? So last day higher, then it crashes, but it picks itself up. Okay, and that's exactly what GME is going through right now. And notice after the bounce, what happens? It's a 3-day sequence of crashing. So you go last day higher, crash, bounce, crash. And so to help you visualize this, let me see if I can bring up the GME. Okay, we're going into the exact identical setup right here. And the drop could be phenomenal. I mean, right now, the stock pre-market, I'm recording this, guys, it's about 8:40 a.m. on January 29th, 2021. So it's fluctuating between 350 and 400 bucks this morning. Your ideal entry is going to be if it revisits anywhere close to yesterday's level, which pre-market yesterday was at 513. Here's what that magnificent drop pre-market, and then it repeats the same behavior, right? Now that was more like almost a 300 and change dollar move from $450, where we send the alert to short it right here, all the way down to 112 bucks right here. So we're likely to see last move higher here today, and the goal is to nail that top. Now, a lot of times you're not going to be able to nail the top precisely down to like $1 or a penny in a stock like that, because I mean, we're not dealing with a $10 stock here. I mean, at this point, this is a $400 or $500 stock. So your entry should be somewhere right here. Your entry should be between 450, 500 bucks. Use that bounce, because this is going to be the last bounce, and after that, you're going to see insane sell volume in the stock. So without any further ado, guys, if you're not sure exactly what strike to get, because depending on what strike you get, it's really gonna make you a killer trade, or just gonna make it a mediocre trade. Okay, and depending on how well you time your entry throughout the day is also going to determine with weekly options how much money you're actually going to get to keep. So if you have any questions about that, make sure you click the link below, schedule a 20-minute coaching call right now. Don't wait a moment. Click the link below this video, schedule calls. You will know exactly what the hell to do with this trade today, guys. I wish everybody huge successful trading day today, Friday, January 29th. Let's roll. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Brent's been doing a lot of research about a lot of cool stuff, so we got some really cool information coming at you. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Guys, let's rock. Have an awesome day. Make it happen. Let's trade.